Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And if I understand the person right, this is what they want to do. They want to be able to have the word kind of not there and kind of just a shadow behind it showing through. So we've already done it, and that's exactly what he wants to do. But his problem was he's working with a text, and you can't do this with a text. So I would write out your text and go to Object and convert the text to a curve. Now we can hit the plus key on the keyboard and hit the yellow and have the second copy right on top, as you can see. But then we're going to adjust the item like that. Now I'm going to set my nudge factor. This thing is less than an inch big, so I'm going to set my nudge factor on 1 just to make a duplicate so we can see the difference. So in this one, I am going to go back minus front, and we get that top one. This one, we're going to go front minus back, and we get that. But then you need to go over here and right-click on black. So it's two different looks. So these are both identical. But it's kind of they're going to print something on a T-shirt that they want. Kind of hard to read, but people could still make it out. And that will work. So whenever you use a weld tool, let's just type out a text, and you try to back minus front or anything, you can't do anything because it's not there because it's a text, and you can see it's a text right there. So we can make a duplicate and then offset the text like we did. I didn't make a copy. We can offset the text and make it black again. And you can't do anything to it until you go to Object and convert it to a curve. And as soon as you do that, it shows up. That would be really kind of hard to read right there, but I think the words they picked might work. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.